Hello everyone, in this lecture video I will demonstrate how to calculate frequency distribution and plot histograms when the data is numerical. We have this small data set here that consists of year-end audit times, and that's in numbers, and we have a sample of around 24 observations. So let's go ahead and do the histogram. So when you're calculating the frequency distribution for numerical data, the first thing you have to do is you have to calculate the bin width or the categories under which this observation is going to fall. So this is how you calculate the bin width. I will go ahead and insert the formula here. I would say bin width equals so that should be equals to max minus mean, and this is going to be number of bins we want. So that's a simple formula we're going to use. So here I will calculate bin width equals max of this value here minus mean of same value here, and I don't need appendix here, so I'm gonna remove this one. Divide by, let's say I want 5 number of bins, so I divide it by 5. So each category should consist of 4.2 width. So let's say I have the minimum here 12 and the maximum looks like maybe 33 here. So I'll start with the upper limit here. So the bin, I'm gonna say my first bin will give me up to 15, then I can say 20, 25, 30, 35, and that should be it. So here now we need to calculate the frequency of the number of audit times that fall between this range. So first one is going to be around 10 to 15, then 16 to 20, and then 19 21 to 25, and henceforth. So here simple way to do it is select all these cells here, say equals to frequency here, select the data array here, and then we select the bin array here. So basically what it's going to do, then you have to make sure you pay attention here, press Ctrl Shift and hit enter. So you have to say press Control key plus Shift key plus enter. So that's a key thing you have to keep in mind. And here this is frequency. Okay, so basically if you count how many observations fall below 15 or up to 15, there must be 6. How many observations fall between the range of 31 and 35? There is only 1, and you can cross validate this looking at this small data. So this is how you calculate the frequency for numerical data, and when plotting it, this number on the x-axis might not convey a lot of meaning. So I can have calculate another bin here and put the limits there. For example, I can say here this is 11 to 15. Now this is being converted into times, but I want to format this one to show the text. So I will select all of them, right click on it, format cell, and say text. Okay. And then I will plot it again, write it down again. So 11 to 15, and then 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35. And then you can always, add a lot of bells and whistles. For example, you can center all of them, and now we can plot the frequency distribution. So for example, I want to plot this one. Select that range, go to insert bar chart, and then you can add a lot of bells and whistles here, as I told you last time. So right click on this one, format data series here, decrease the gap here. Okay, that's gonna look better. And then right click on this one, select data here, because if you see here right now we see 1 2 3 4 5, but I would like to see the categories of the bin. So I would like to change that. Right click on it, select data, go to horizontal category access label here. Right now it's 1 2 3 4 5. Edit this one and select this range, so it will put those range there. And then what you can do here is you can add access titles here. You can do it here as well. For example, if you unselect this one here, go here, you can just select access title here as well. Again, you can go here, say you want vertical as well. Okay, so this is what you call audit times, days, and this is the frequency. So as you see here, most of the audit times fall between the range of 16 to 20 days. So, and then very few takes anywhere between 31 to 35 days. So that's how you interpret the data here. And this is graph for audit times. So with this, I conclude my lecture video here. Thank you very much for listening.